everyone, my name is Macca. Today I talk about the girl and the ice cream truck. One day the girl sits in her bedroom window looking down the street. She waits for summer. She likes to eat ice cream, go swimming, picnic, and strawberries. She tired about winter jacket, gloves, gray sky, and snow. But her mother said, summer is far away. Her father said, more snow is coming. The girl sit on the window, wait for summer. Suddenly, she see the ice cream truck. The ride on the ice cream truck. The ride on the street. She said, it's summer now. She wear bathing suit and she wear summer hat. She run downstairs and she opened the door. Crunch. She see the bare feet on the icy grass. She said, but I saw the ice cream truck. The ice cream truck turned the corner to the auto repair shop. Moral, one ice cream truck doesn't make a summer. That's all. Goodbye.